Introduction. Welcome to Classic Bike Drive, your source for the latest motorcycle news, reviews, and upcoming launches. Today, we dive into the 2026 Honda CB100, a bike that brings a fresh take to the 100 cubic centimeter segment with classic design, everyday practicality, and Honda reliability. Timeless design and retro appeal. The 2026 Honda CB100 showcases a timeless design that blends simplicity with style. With its round headlamp, classic fuel tank, and minimalistic body panels, the bike captures the charm of heritage motorcycles. Retro-inspired decals and chrome accents give it an aesthetic that appeals to riders who appreciate classic styling without sacrificing modern touches. Efficient engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Honda CB100 is a refined 100 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine engineered for smooth and efficient performance. Designed primarily for urban commuting, the engine delivers predictable power, excellent fuel economy, and reliable throttle response. Whether tackling city traffic or cruising through suburban roads, this powertrain offers a balanced and confident ride. Comfort and ride quality. The CB100 is built with rider comfort in mind. Its upright seating position, comfortable saddle, and ergonomic handlebar make daily rides easy and fatigue-free. The suspension setup, telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks, absorbs bumps effectively, providing a stable and comfortable ride even on rougher roads. Practical features. While simple at heart, the 2026 Honda CB100 includes practical features that enhance usability. A clear analog instrument cluster displays essential information such as speed, fuel level, and trip meter. The bike's lightweight design makes it easy to handle in busy traffic, while dependable drum brakes ensure confident stopping power for everyday use. Everyday reliability. One of the CB100's greatest strengths is its reliability. Honda's reputation for durable engines, low maintenance requirements, and strong build quality make this bike a dependable choice for riders seeking an affordable and efficient commuter. Stable performance and Honda's widespread service network add further peace of mind. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda CB100 is a blend of classic style, practical performance, and everyday reliability. It's a bike that suits beginners, students, and commuters alike, offering easy rideability and timeless appeal at an accessible price point. Thank you for watching this update on Classic Bike Drive. Stay tuned for more motorcycle news, reviews, and launch coverage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.